Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are here to discuss about the question called find words containing the character. Question number 2942 from lead code, which will help us to understand multiple things, guys. Okay, let's start the question. You're given a zero indexed array of strings, words. So they are giving us a array of strings called words, and they are giving also a character X. Okay, what we need to do? We need to return array of indices representing the words that contain the character S. So we need to return words. We have words, right? Word 1, word 2, and also word 3. So we need to return indexes of words. Okay, we need to return the indexes of words where we need to return the indexes of words where the word contains, these words contain X, character X, like not X character, variable X basically. So whatever X variable contains, that we should see. It might contain A, B, C, D, anything, guys. It's not X value. It is about input variable name. Okay, don't get confused here. Note that return array may be in any order. So we can return the array in any order. So it's fine for them to take this. Okay. Let's see one example. Let's delete this, all the things. Okay. Let me zoom this in. Okay. Let's take the big example. So what was the character X? They're asking for A. So we need to return all the words. We have array of words. We need to return index position of each word. So this string index is 0, 1, 2, 3. So we have 4 words. How many words we have? 4. So which words have A character? Do I have A in this particular string? Yes. So 0 is a valid index. Next, in this string, do we have A? No. In this string, yes. 0 and 2. Next, last string. No, we don't have. So we need to return these two characters as a list. I hope the question is clear to everyone. Let's see this in multiple approach using inbuilt methods and also without using inbuilt methods. Now, as usual, let's declare an integer array. Answer. Okay. Now we need to go to each word and we need to check in that word whether do we have character X or not. So for int I equal to 0, I less than words dot length plus plus. Okay, going to each and every word and get that word. So string current word equals to words of I. Get that word. If if current word has, we are using index of method guys. Index of method. What does this index of method will do? It will search for the character in the given string. Okay, in the given string it will search for the character. If we have that character, it will return the index of that character. If not, it will return -1. So that's what we are doing. If it is not -1, which means if we have a character X in that word, then what I need to do? I need to add it into my answer dot add of indexes I need to add. So this is how we will do this. Let's run this one. Okay. Oh, okay. This will give you error. We are not returning anything. Let's run this one. That's all, guys. This is how we work. But we will also see without using this index of method, because how index of method internally works. Let's see that one. So let's comment this out and let's start writing a for loop. So in this string, we need to search for character X. How we will do? For int j equal to 0, j less than current word dot length j plus plus. Now we need to check if current word dot char at j equal to x. If the current word is equal to x, which means we have that word, we have this x character in this current word. So if it is there, what we need to do? We need to simply add it into answer dot add of I. And after that, break. Why we need to break? even though you have multiple occurrences of a word, let's take a word A, A, A. I am searching for A. I'll go and search in the first character. Is it matching? Yes. This index of this string is, let's assume 1. So 1 is added into our array. So do you still need to check in the remaining part for A? No, I already got the answer. What is the purpose? So that's the one reason we are breaking. And one more reason is, even though there are multiple occurrences of A, all are belong to a single string and its index is 1, which is already added into the array. Okay. All occurrences of A are belonging to a single string, which is index 1, which is already added into our answer array. So that was the reason we need to do a break for the for loop. We need to do a break for the for loop. So this is how your index of method also works internally, guys. Whenever the matches, it returns instead of like here we are adding the same for loop will be there. It will simply return the index, return I. That's all. If not, at the end of the for loop, it will return -1. It will return -1. That's all, guys. This is how we solve this question. I hope the question is clear to everyone. And I'm assuming that you have enjoyed the video. Let's meet in the next video, guys. Until then, see you. Bye bye.